Let's wait a sec. We still have one guest here with us today, so just give him 2 seconds here. Okay, so here we go. Hello, everyone. I'm Cheryl. It's very exciting to host a crypto market insight session with our guest. Today, we are very happy to have with us our guest who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. So, as the host of today's discussion, I'll be leading us through a thought-provoking conversation and promise to be both informative and engaging. So, whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. And the live session is broadcasting on CoinW live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch, and please leave your opinions or questions about market, coins, etc., or just have some questions to our guests in the comment, and our guests will definitely will pick up some to answer. So yeah, let's go on. Welcome Boris, Rina, Jay, Dylan. Welcome all you to come to our live stream here. And we're very happy to have you here with us today. So next part is really exciting. In this part, we like our guests to point out the top three performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of the week. Additionally, we also kindly request some market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, and other, the house cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. So please be free to share the screen and let us watch your charts. Okay, so
I'm
who
gonna
wanna?
go. I'm gonna
Okay,
go.
cool.
Sorry, because
Hello, Jay.
yeah, I'm gonna go first because I'm on CPI trade right now. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Can you
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
see? Okay, okay. All right. So here we go. So right now, BTC is quite bullish with the CPI came lower than expected. I expect we can get a pump. We can get a pump. So look at here. This is my high impact strategy, and we are above FOMC high, NFP high, PPI high. So this is a support. And right now, if we can make a CPI high, if we can broke, so my target is going to be like April CPI low or even like this area. So watch out on this. And so that's why like I'm so bullish today. I'm also longing right now. I'm longing BTC. So still okay, this is my area longing. The target is going to be like 68K. And for the daily, this is just gonna hit this area like value of high because it's quite reasonable. We got a big volume value of high in here. So BTC can if break the 30-minute CPI zone, which is around 64K, so we can get the pump. We can get like this is the pump that we can waiting for, and not all alts it's going to pump. I'm gonna tell you guys because look on BTC Dome, still gonna reach this area on 56 area. So all that's why like I'm kind of picky with the alts that I'm gonna pick and give to you guys today. So for the alts, I have first I have ER. This is good. RWIF. So this is my main line. This is my main line. I almost got stop loss. I got stop loss. My first stop loss and this is my defensive stop loss. Still save my ass. And AR right now, this is your entry. On the lower time frame. This is like the second entry because like we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, four wave. So the entry is going to be like 41 bucks point 9, and the SL is going to be like 39 bucks point 88. And target is going to be high because this is gonna be bullish AR because AR is, the project is really good, and AR can break this triple top. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be strong trend. My target is going to be like 62k. Sorry, 62 bucks. And with the, you guys know GameStop is a meme stock, right? I still remember before I give you guys meme coin. I'm gonna talk about GameStop a bit because like this is I got premonition with this trade because like when I trade this, it was COVID, and I got I got COVID during this trade, and I still remember like 2 3 days I got like 1,000% and or even like 4,000%. So this is meme stock, and when they pump, this is a rebel stock. When they pump, I don't know like how high. So watch out on this. But so what is correlated with the crypto is meme coin. That's why like since last week I saw like a lot of meme coin that gonna wake up like Bong, or even like the one that I gave you guys last week. I'm talking about Flocky. So Flocky right now, but Flocky took my first SL, but my defensive stop loss still safe. So right now it's running 34%, and I'm looking for another entry on Flocky. But Flocky is no zone entry right now because it's too high. But right now we got Doge. We got Doge. Look at on the daily. We got inverse head and shoulder, and even like on 4 hour we got a triangle falling wedge and inverse head and shoulders. So this is like so damn good on Doge because like with the GameStop pump, so I believe the meme coin, the shit coin is gonna pump. Shit coin gonna pump. So once again, I'm gonna play the shit coin. So Doge, don't forget about Doge. And next I got near with the CPI pump. So near my limit is on 7 bucks point 29, and target is going to be 9244 because like if you see in 4 hour, look at here. Look at here. I'm gonna explain to you very fast. First wave, second, third, fourth, five. And the target is going to be like 2618%. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The one that retests on the 4, look at it. It's retesting on the 100. Retesting on the 100. And then the target is going to be like 2618, and then my target right now is going to be 2618. So if this combine, this is gonna be like a double top. Make sense? This is gonna be double top. So if the double top is break, I'm gonna continue another near easily. So near is my best entry right now. And I got ton since last week. I gave you guys ton too, and ton it's already performed around, I don't know, about like 30% list, at least 30%. But right now I got like small entry to ladder up. So right now the ton entry is going to be like 6 bucks point 94, and the stop loss is going to be like 6.8, and my target is going to be this one, 9 bucks point 77. So that's it for me today. Thanks guys.
Thank you very much, Jay. It's very comprehensive as usual, and thanks. Finally, thanks for all the waiting and until shitcoin finally had the chance to pump again. We will wait.
You're happy, right? You're happy with the Pepe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, congrats.
Thank
Pepe
you.
is, yeah, I know
Actually,
you're,
I need to thank you. Pepe is actually is you to recommended us at the first time, so that's why I bought Pepe. So
yeah, look
yeah.
at here. Even right now, like my CryptoBeast community like asking me about Pepe. Like I cannot give you guys entry for future trading, for derivative trading, because like I don't know, it's too high. I even cannot get entry on Pepe. Even myself, I cannot get entry. But my entry is only for spot. But for futures trading, I cannot get it because it's so dangerous on Pepe. But it's so good, right? It's pumping right now. So
Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Thank you guys.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jay.
Thank you.
Um, Yeah. And also the next one, Boris, Rina, Dylan, and also Tango.
I'll go next.
Okay.
Share my screen. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll first speak about Bitcoin, and then we'll go over a couple coins that I'm looking at today. But yeah, Bitcoin, like I'm pretty much similar page to Jay. Um, we are flipping bullish. So basically, this structure is breaking right now. It breaks above 5.09. Okay. So this level here is a massive resistance, right? So whenever price closes above this level, we tend to get quite a nice move to the upside, which is obviously bearish for crypto, right? Because USDT dominance is inverse proportional to crypto. So right now we're still getting rejected from 5.09, which is really bullish for crypto. And this could potentially come down back to this level here, which is a 7% drop. So I do think that, or even a 3% drop within today. So I do think that we're going to see a little bit more upside for crypto. So overall, quite bullish on the market right now. I did take a long for Bitcoin this morning at 62K at this level. So I'm looking at a potential upside to like 66, but we have to wait and see how the 4 hour candle closes. Yeah, so that's the first one. And then I do think I've been looking at XRP. Obviously, if you look at XRP on the daily time frame, you can kind of see right now it's at a very strong support level. So I do think that purchasing XRP at these zones is something that I'm going to be doing. So you can see whenever price bounces from this level, we do get a push to the upside. So we could potentially see XRP go up, even potentially back up to 24%. So I do think that this is a good zone to accumulate XRP because I am more bullish on XRP because of the whole lawsuits and everything like that, and potentially it might be over very soon. So we spoke about this in the last one, and we all know that XRP can produce like 1,000% to 100% moves. We've seen it in the past. So once the lawsuit is over, I do think that XRP can pretty much do something similar to this, and this over here. Okay, so I'm going to be buying XRP in these zones, very nice levels to get XRP. And yeah, the next coin, obviously, I was going to speak about Pepe, but Anton, but I guess Jay went over it. So pretty much the same as Ton. I did take a short on Ton this morning, but I did take profit at these zones. It was more like a really short term trade. But yeah, Maro actually up 12%. I wanted to look at this. So I'm very bullish on Maro and what it I do think that it has a lot of potential for the bull run. So I purchased it like around about this level here. Um, you can see this was the zone that I purchased at, and you can see that price currently right now is up 13%. So I do think that Maro it's already breaking this trend line over here. If you have a look, it is breaking this level. So we could potentially see Maro go back up to 0.23 and potentially to the highs. So yeah, Maro, one of the coins that I'm looking at for this next move up. But overall, market's looking good. And yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Dylan. Thank you for the announcing and also the recommendation. Thanks again. All right. So, Boris, would you like to share something with us?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, just a bit distracted with what Jay was saying earlier, but with the CPI, it really affected the market prices. I actually want to start off with the Nasdaq, just because it's actually making a new high today. If the day goes like this, so basically this means if the stock market is making new highs, it's actually very bullish for crypto, which is why I'm bringing it up. Because usually the equity markets and the crypto markets, there is a correlation there. So I think this is very bullish for not just the equity markets and the stock markets, but also crypto as well. And then I just want to see what the the S&P 500 is doing. I think, yeah, and S&P 500 is making a new high as well. But we still have the entire New York trading session to go. So we'll see how this ends. But so far, it's looking good. And yeah, it's probably going to have a positive impact on Bitcoin. And then yeah, on Bitcoin itself, I don't know, I was kind of like neutral going into today, but I think there's like too much bearish sentiment lately, and I kind of feel like, yeah, if we can get over what's this price? 64,000, I think we'll probably try to make an attempt for like 67 like to end the week. So we'll see. I think, it's kind of like a messy pattern, but the sellers have been having a tough time pushing price below 60K. So I think, I don't know, we'll probably try to make an attempt at the mid-range at like 67. And then as far as, my top coins for the week, actually one of the top coins was People. So this one is having a really nice rally today. It's up 30%. This is one long position that I'm in. So yeah, really nice move on People. And then yeah, of course, like Jay mentioned, Pepe, I think it's breaking out as well, or close to breaking out. So yeah, so it did make like a new all-time high, I believe. And then if it can have some fall through, it'll probably go higher. I am concerned a little bit about all these like bearish top wicks. So we'll just have to see if this has any follow through. And then in terms of other coins, I think I had, oh yeah, Floki is another one. It's up 15% today. Rats, I think Rats is bottoming out here. It's up 18%. So basically I guess all the meme coins like Floki, Rats, what else? I think yeah, I guess even Dog with Hat. No, not really Dog with Hat, but yeah, Floki, Pepe, and yeah, and People. Those are my top three for this week. And yeah, that's all I got.
Okay, thank you very much, Boris. Thank you for your sharing here. Flocky, People, and rights. Yeah, that is really amazing. Thanks again. And Tango, would you like to share something?
Yeah, let me share my screen first. All right, so yeah, real quick, just to add one thing, I think the guys already covered pretty much everything here. But I do think that I think the point of control here for Bitcoin price to flip bullish, it's this one around 65K. We've seen that it's been rejected last two attempts. We're gonna probably go ahead and try now again. It's trying to break out this descending trend line. So I do think that if bulls can reclaim this level of 65K, take control of it and hold above, then I think it's probably best to flip gears and be more bullish. For now, I'm still waiting for that battle basically to take place. I think it's going to be pretty interesting. We have a pump today with the CPI numbers. But I do still think that we're probably gonna find some overhead supply at 65K. So I do think that that's the key level for now for the active sequence for the short term. Mid and long term, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. I think we're still on an uptrend, on a bull market, and bull markets don't just go up all the time. It is so this choppy sideways action that we're having right now, it's expected, and it's pretty normal and actually constructive for the price. So watch out for the 65K level. If bulls can reclaim it and hold above, then probably best to start getting more bullish. But for now, I'm still a little bit more neutral. I'm actually have a short position that I took some profits, but I'm still holding some. Probably I'm gonna get stopped out at 65 if that happens, but that doesn't mean that I'm bearish or anything like that. I just take trades here. So yeah, that's it. And I'm just looking, I just want to share this setup with you guys. All of the other coins the guys shared, near ton. What else? Well, there's AR, there's lots of potential on those. There's the altcoins are pretty much a mixed bag, so you have to be cherry picking for the ones that are making the moves on this choppy market. But there's definitely been some opportunities out there, as we've seen with Ton and that amazing run it had. For now, I'm actually looking. Sorry, I'm looking for a ship. This is actually this product is 1,000 ship. It's the features that we have at CoinW. It's doing this symmetrical triangle back again. That will probably resolve very soon because it's very contracted and volatility has gone down as well as the volume. So this usually indicates that there's probably going to be an expansion in volume, and that's going to move the price either higher or lower. Usually this symmetrical triangle, it's considered in technical analysis to be a continuation pattern. So if that's the case, then the continuation of a trend in this case is a continuation to the upside, right? So it should result to the upside. But that being said, in my experience, this is probably like a 50-50 kind of pattern. I've seen them fail several times. And I actually just want to show you guys this one because I traded this one before. We already had this symmetrical triangle here. This was actually resolved on April 12th. You can see it here. I was actually sharing this one as well, for a potential trade. This one was actually the same pattern here, contracting, and it was clearly that it was about to break either down or up. We got this break of Bitcoin actually that same day on April the 12th. So it clearly resulted to the downside, giving us a really nice entry. So this could potentially, have the same implications, but this time I'm actually liking it a little bit more. More inclined to take a long here. We're above the 200 EMA as acting as support. So I think that if we see a break above this level around here, around 0.024, this 24.64 to be more precise, or you can take the pivot high here at the same 0.0246. We could potentially have a really nice setup for a 2-3 day move. Maybe you put a stop just below this pivot low here or right around it, and I think you can get a 3-4 R on this trade. Probably maybe take some profits around here. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing this setup. I'm actually watching it to see what happens. I would have loved to see more action today. So that clearly indicates that still not ready to go. But yeah, all in all, that's all I can share with you guys today about this.
Thank you very much, Jay. Thank you very much, Tango. Thank you again. Yeah, more actions today, and we're really happy to that we can go through together here to wait the CPI announced. And yeah, thank you very much, Tango. And Rina, would you like to share something?
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so almost the same with everyone else, with the guys. So I'm looking Bitcoin is looking bullish for now. So it's like in this triangle and it's trying to break this trend. But yeah, if it stays above $60,000, then it's bullish. But yeah, I'm kinda still 50-50 with this. But for now, what's happening? So it's going up, so it's likely bullish. So it might get to 66 to 68 thousand dollars. So I think everyone mentioned like Pepe, and I also have this on my watch list, also Doge and for SHIB because it's pretty looking good. But yeah, like Tanga said that it might still get this setup also failed many times. But for now, SHIB like Bitcoin is also trying to break this this line, like this triangle. Okay. Also have for my watch list, I'm looking for some um alts, but I'm still looking for confirmation because right now, like this one link, they are now on the support level, but it's still 50-50. But as you can see, it retraces many times around this area. Okay. So it might be buy zone. So if you can already bought on this level, but if it breaks this one, then we have to cap loss. So yeah, this is pretty much on my watch list for this week.
Okay, thank you very much, Rina. Thank you for your sharing here. Okay, so let's move on the next section. Oh, wait a sec. Let me share my screen here. Okay. So can everyone see my screen here? Is it working?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. So here, actually, it's very, very exciting that the CoinW's has the very big event, and which is the yeah, which is the what's going on? Yeah, which is the champions area, tree collect and the trumps and battle for the prize is very huge. It's a 1 million prize pool. And yeah, and everyone can see here. Here actually is the homepage of the CoinW, and this is the event entrance. And the main banner and homepage small banners are as follows. It's a Champions Arena event page, Trade with Skill event page, and Trumps with Strategy event page. And then we just click it to enter. And below the main event page header image are the entrances to two events. So the first one is, you can see here, the left is a trade with skill, and the right one is trumps with strategy. And further down are displays of content related to the CoinW brand. It's very awesome. Yeah, we can check in here. And then you can see this page. This is the Trade with Skill event page. And you can just clicking. So here you can see the event ends time. And this is it's like a countdown, so you can know how much time you are still left. And then here is the clicking on the image of a player or a coach. Then clicking join squad. Here is the bottom, constitutes a successful registration, and users can only join one team. Take carefully, only you can join one team, and they must have an activated contract account with assets big or equal at least 100 USDT to successfully register, and rewards will be distributed to members of the larger squad after the competition. And then you can click on the futures. So you can join. Oh, sorry, because I don't log in, but I can tell everyone what's going on, what will going on next. So basically all you have to do is join squad, and then here we'll have I guess here we can see the future trading competition. So you're clicking on the future or spot trading competition allows you to switch to the corresponding trending competition rankings and price pools, as well as the corresponding terms and conditions of the event. Here we can see all the things we got. The future trading leaderboard. The first, the ranking first one is the has a 143.65% royal, and here are the infos and also the ranking on the leaderboard. Yes, and it's very it's very comprehensive. You can see also there's a prize pool, and also there's a Trump Swiss strategy event page, and the My Cards record shows the current quantity of player cards for each level. So clicking on the Get Cards page automatically navigate to the task center. So in the rewards area, clicking on each level allows you to switch to the corresponding levels price pool, and once you have a sufficient quantity of cards for a specific level, and you can click the redeem button to exchange them for prizes. And token rewards, super bonus, and mega coupons will be distributed within 7 working days after the competition, and physical rewards will be directly mailed to you or converted to USDT or equivalent value. So please, everyone here, you can keep an eye on your inbox for more information, and rewards are limited and available on a first come, first served basis. So yeah, and so that's all about the event details and also the all the things you need to know. So that's all. And we are really looking forward to the event, and everyone can, join the squad and play with your favorite player here and join the team, and you can have really big shot to win the prize, and the prize pool is really big. So yeah, juicy. Okay. So let me stop sharing and let's move on our next part. So in this part, it's very interesting. We collected a few questions that can our guests discuss together. And today we have 3 questions are really hotspots on this week. So for the first question, let me share my screen here. Okay, the first question is, despite the crypto market downturn, Tong has recently demonstrated strong performance, and its ecosystem product, Notcoin, has attracted a significant following from both users and exchanges. So, how should we view the investment opportunities presented by Tong and Notcoin? What do you guys think? Dylan, what do you think?
I'm gonna cover them, Cheryl.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Ton is quite bullish right now because they are one of the best source, what is that called? Messenger like they got a lot of users, so and a lot of crypto user like using Ton because like it's not they're not gonna be tracked by the government, you know. So despite the crypto market downturn, Ton yeah is quite bullish because like they also got news. I think I forgot like what news, yeah, rather than the not coin airdrops. But I remember there is one news about Ton, and the news is kind of bullish. That's why like since last week, like I'm aiming for Ton because like but right now I don't think for spot entry uh quite not good because it's already quite expensive. But for not coin investment, but I still good. But I'm not gonna buy not coin. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna buy not coin. It's like Theta and Tiful, you know, like the parents and the kids. I'm not gonna buy the kids, you know. So I'm just gonna buy the parents because like in this cycle, a lot of narrative, a lot of good coins. No, not. I don't think so. So I'm just gonna keep buying Ton when it's below. I have my spot entry for Ton. Give me a sec. Let me check on Ton. My entry on Ton is no, it's okay. No need. You
Okay.
want me to share? Oh, okay. I'm gonna share. Sure.
Okay.
So, okay. So, can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. So let's say Bitcoin is a little bit because like I'm after this one last right. Oh, okay. Hold on. Before I speak about Ton, so I got another entry for you guys for Bitcoin. Hold on. It's lagging. Come on. Don't be like that. Come on. Oh my God. Don't be like that. So I got another. Where's my entry? Hold on. Why I lost?
Yeah, mine also does this sometimes.
Yeah, it's gone. So I got another entry in here for Bitcoin. So right now you can long because right now it's breaking the CPI zone. Look at that. It's breaking the CPI zone. So this is my strategy from Forex back then. So if we break the CPI zone, all right, the sky is the limit. Trust me, guys, the sky is the limit. So for Ton, I'm expecting Bitcoin is going to be lower after this. Oh my God, come on. Again, so okay, Bitcoin is kind of laggy. So Ton, my spot area is going to be around this area, like this one. So around 4 and 3. So this is your spot zone. But right now it's not because right now it's going crazy. I think it can go as high as 10, but I think can pull back to for 50%. So Ton is good by around 4 or 3. Thank you. So that's it.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you for your sharing and answering for this question and also the Bitcoin. Yeah, we can see it's very exciting to so when the CPI will announce tonight,
It's
right?
It's already announced and it's lower than expected. And it's so damn bullish. Really damn bullish.
Okay, cool. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So let's back to this question. So about the question everyone want to add up.
Yeah, I don't know too much about Notcoin, but since Toncoin has been has been so bullish, especially I think it had an investment from Pantera Capital, which is one of the biggest hedge funds in the world. I'm guessing Notcoin is gonna, it's gonna follow whatever Toncoin is doing. So it's probably gonna be a lot of hype initially, but I don't know too much about the project from either from a fundamental or a technical perspective. I just know whenever like I guess like the parent coin like Jay was saying is popular, then its child is going to be probably popular as well, at least initially. So yeah, that's all I have to say regarding that.
Okay, thank you very much, Boris. Um, so Tango, what do you think about this question?
Sorry. Yeah, let me pull up the chart real quick here. I don't need to share, just want to take a look at the chart of ton. 1 second. Yeah, I mean, well, I'm actually, checking out the Tom's futures contract here, and since it started trading at least on what is this, Binance, first print was around 3, and made a low at 217, and then broke that 3, and it started this active sequence since, which was a massive move of 153, 154%, give or take. Then we did had a retracement from that high. All-time high was 767, and we retraced back, check, around at 33%, and it's made it like a V-shaped recovery on the weekly. This shows relative strength. I think this token has been, the lifeline for bulls on this last month and a half, because the market has been choppy. Bitcoin hasn't given us a lots of setups, and this one was, just moving up like a beast, no matter what. So that shows, resilience and a lot of strength, a lot of genuine buying, probably on spot as well. So this means that from a technical standpoint, there's lots of demand for this token. I do believe we may see a new all-time high pretty soon, but we're gonna have to see if that stands, or maybe it's a temporary top, or and we start going back down. But I wouldn't short it. I wouldn't short it up here. For a swing or for a long-term trade. So I would just be buying any pullbacks like the one we had at 470. We had a nice pullback back to that area that was viable, and it went all the way back up to 760. So really, really strong token. I'm not well versed on the ecosystem. To be honest, I know it has a lot of there was a lot of buzz about it. Everybody was talking about this ton ecosystem in the last few months, of course, with this price action. But from a technical standpoint, the token looks very, very strong, and I would be, looking for buying or long in this on any pullback that it, if you get that opportunity.
Sorry guys, the hostess computer is powered off, so maybe we will wait 1 minute to restart.
All right, no problem.
Yep, no problem.
Hi everyone. Can you guys hear my voice here? My computer suddenly ran out
Yeah.
of power and it was forced to shut down. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's keep going. So, Tango, can you quickly catch up the the content I might miss out?
What was that again? Sorry.
Can
Want
you
me to
quickly
read?
catch? Yeah, help me to catch up the things you because I would my computer was forced out, so quickly wrapped up what you said before.
Yeah, let me recap it really quick. I'm just gonna share the screen real quick here. So what I was saying is that yeah, we've seen this. I mean, this stock is clearly the market leader right now, and it's been for the last month and a half. Still giving us setups to trade along the way. We've seen this first breakout here of the 3 area, which was around the opening print, and you know it's given us lots of entries like here on this bull flag, and after this sequence you get a consolidation sideways, really healthy, really strong, and then you're gonna boom this last breakout, and we clearly had a distribution along with the whole market. That was on Friday the 12th of April. But then it done a little bit of a V-shaped recovery, which is usually a very strong bullish signal. And it's just hovering just below the all-time highs once again. So I will be rather just looking for buying opportunities on any pullbacks on this one. Looks a little bit choppy up here, as you can see all the spikes here, indicating there's a distribution, between buyers and sellers. But any pullback that you may get, probably to around this area here, which is around 630, and even more so, I would like it more if it goes all the way back down to this area here around 570. I do believe that those pullbacks are viable, but don't sleep on it, because it can just move higher as it has been doing so for the last better part of this last 2-3 months. This one is the futures contract. This one started trading on March 1st, and it gained 153%. So very impressive for Tom.
Okay, gosh, thank you very much, Tango. Thank you for helping me to recapping the things I missed out. And we can see one of our audience here have a comment, and he wants to ask Tango, how do you think about Ethereum? How do you think about the future trending of Ethereum? What do you think?
Ethereum.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, let's take a look real quick. Ethereum, it's unfortunately lagging behind. Let me share the screen real quick. There you go. So two major developments on Ethereum. We've seen this triangle setting up. This has been the trend. This downtrend has been dominated, by the bears since around March, when it made the highs. I remember, up here saying that it's struggling mighty to hold the 4K area. It actually broke it a couple of times, but wasn't able to hold. So we've seen these kind of an island top, or or whatever you want to call it, and then just a price reversion back all the way to the 3,000 area. So that was a bit bearish, and we've been in a downtrend since. If you look at let me show you also this chart, which is pretty important. Be talking about this chart as well. This is Ethereum against BTC. Clearly, Bitcoin has been dominating this bull run, and it still is. If you see the Bitcoin dominance chart, it's still up above 55% or something like that, and it's still and actually had a really nice break on this last 3-4 days. Look at that. So it's about 55. So Bitcoin is the place to be. It's what's been dominating the market, and Ethereum hasn't been able to live up to those expectations. Having said that, Ethereum had this amazing bull run as well, right? Back in February, look at that breakout. I mean, that breakout was from around 2,300 all the way up to 4K. That's 78%, really, really nice. But it hasn't been able to flip Bitcoin's dominance so far. So I do believe that for Ethereum to switch to a more bullish stance, first of all, it needs to on the Ethereum BTC chart, it needs to hold this crucial support area we're looking at right now. That would be the first step. It needs to hold these levels if it wants to start moving up. This is around 0.046, 0.045. That's area of a heavy support for Ethereum against BTC. If that holds and we go back up, then what needs to happen is, we need to break this trend line once again, because we tried here once, here twice, and they both times was rejected. So if we do get a bounce back up, we need to break it again and just try to hold and consolidate above it, and then try to see if we get a move back up. If that happens, then I will flip bullish for Ethereum, and I'll be trying to buy the token, the underlying asset, basically. And this is the weekly chart. Look at look at this clear downtrend here. It also needs to break it. It needs to break this trend line, and also I would like to see it, hold above, and that will be very constructive for the price. If that happens, that's a great buying opportunity. We can look up for Ethereum going back up to 3,600, maybe 4K again, back again. But for now, looking weak. I wouldn't short it either here, because this is heavy support here. Look at that. It's just above the 200 EMA, which usually is a very strong indication for where support could be, as long as this previous breakout of 2,700. So if it loses this level, then it's going to be trouble for sure. If it loses this level, it will go probably all the way back down to 2,100 to 20,000, 2,000. Sorry. But for it's a pretty crucial point in time right now, Ethereum. I do believe that Bitcoin is going to continue dominating this bull market. I'm not sure when that's going to end, or if it's going to end, and I'm not sure if you're going to see Ethereum just flipping Bitcoin. But we have to remain flexible with our point of views and with our biases. So for now, I wouldn't long Ethereum unless it breaks this trend line, and I wouldn't short it unless it actually breaks support or it loses the 200 EMA at which stands at 27.94 right now.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Tango, for your sharing. And yeah, other audiences can also ask the questions here. And actually ask another question for all our guests here, because they just released the CPI data was quite well received, but here's something really fishy. Even though Bitcoin briefly pumped like 4%, but the Ethereum and Bitcoin pair actually hit a record low. So what do you think? What do you guys think about this question?
Yeah, sorry. You asking about like Bitcoin hit 4% right now, but can you repeat? Sorry.
Yeah, sure. But the Ethereum and Bitcoin pair actually hit a record low. So why is that happen? Is this something really fishy?
This is the time that the accumulation. For me, this is it's like accumulation time. So the whales is, they buying, but they keep dumping all the time. But and then but they always they keep low, but they dump the high price. So they accumulate actually. So we are on the phase on accumulate, but let's say if we break the previous week high, which is around 65,500, so you name it, you can see like all market is going to be green, but right now we are trying. So yeah, it's kind of difficult for a month. You saw a lot of like pump like 5% and then like pull back, find like 3% and then like pull back, and then like this week it's been hard. Even for me, like it's been hard. And then like I short and then like back to long, I short and then back to long, I long and then back to short. I know this is capitulation, so this is the hardest time to trade. But after this, when we got long capitulation, the train is gonna be easy. The train is gonna be your friend. So just be patient, guys. Don't worry. Thank you.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you very much, Jay.
Yeah, so I'm
Oh,
actually looking at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and yeah, actually that's a good point that the viewer brought up, because we're breaking below the support level on the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. So that is a bit concerning for Ethereum itself. Like, it is up 2.5% a day, but Bitcoin's up a lot more. So it's up double that. So yeah, it's kind of like bearish for Ethereum. Like, we're breaking the low from even like 2022, and yeah, I suppose this is, I don't know if it's like an all-time low, but this is definitely like a very like a long-term low. So yeah, this is not a good look for Ethereum. I don't know, perhaps this is happening because I think we do have the like ETF decision coming up for Ethereum soon. So maybe, I don't know, maybe some insiders know that it's not going to get approved, so they're selling it off. But yeah, but definitely like this chart is just telling me, just like, I mean, I don't want to give like any advice, but it's probably better to be in Bitcoin rather than Ethereum right now.
okay, that's a really good point. Thank you very much, Boris. Okay, so about that question, does anyone want to add on more things? Okay, so let's go on. So the second question is the famous, actually it's about meme coin. So the famous YouTube host Roy Kitty, who once played a role in driving up the stock price of GameStop, posted an image on Twitter recently. So as a result, the meme token Kitty surged more than 55 times, and the GME token also experienced a significant increase of 343%. So this kind of surge seems peculiar. Is it a positive thing for the meme market? Are there any methods to capitalize on such opportunities? Even if we missed the initial surge, is there a chance to catch a subsequent rise? What do you guys think? Rina, what do you think?
Hi, Cheryl. Okay, so I think no one can forget what happened with GME. Like, you cannot buy, but you can only sell. So what happened in 2021? But for this meme token, of course, it's a meme. As long as there's a hype, there's a noise, then this meme will go up. So yeah, you can take opportunity with, as long as there's a hype in this meme, like this kitty. So you can take opportunity. But of course, since this is a meme, then they can easily dump the token. So just have a proper position sizing and risk management. Okay. But for meme, of course, it will pump as high as it can, as long as there's a hype.
Okay, thank you very much, Rina. Thank you for your sharing. And about this question, probably, Dina, what do you think?
I think Dylan's having issues with his Zoom, so I'm not sure if he's here right now.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But I guess I can answer this. Um, so yeah, obviously, like, Roaring Kitty is a big influential figure. So yeah, I saw like the crazy rally in GME, and then also the meme token Kitty. But yeah, I think there's a lot of hype and too much euphoria, so I definitely wouldn't be buying either GameStop or the Kitty token. Um, However, if there is a pullback, then it's probably not a bad idea to get in on a pullback. Um, but yeah, as far as it being a positive thing for the meme market, Yeah, I mean, I guess it is because I was looking at his Twitter or his X profile, weren't kidding, and he's like posting a lot of like kind of funny memes and videos. So, uh, I suppose it's, yeah, in a way it is positive. I don't, I don't really know how to like actually capitalize on these opportunities. I guess if like a popular meme project comes out, then just, you can invest a little bit in it just because it's probably gonna go up just because, if it's a good meme, if it's like funny, then people are just gonna buy it. So yeah, literally, if it's just like a funny or clever name, then I guess that's the
Yeah.
best way to capitalize on it. So yeah, and if it has like a cute like logo, like a cat or a dog, then like people are just gonna buy it just for like the marketing reasons. So yeah, that's what I think about that.
Yeah, thank you very much, Boris. Yeah, that is the I don't know, probably the charming of meme. It is cute, it is fast, the profit also everything is so fast compared to the altcoin and the other coin. Thank you very
Yeah,
much, Boris.
exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so actually this is our last question. So this question is about Willy Woo ask Willy Woo said risk on is coming probably when asset managers come back from summer break. And he asked, does this imply that the cryptocurrency market might experience a new round of increase in 2024 H2? And also have any macroeconomic signals being observed by everyone? What do you guys think?
Uh, Let me go. Kind of agree with Willy Woo because like they're getting holiday right now, and you can see by the Bitcoin price action right now. So I think it's starting right now. It's starting, and but I don't think they're gonna keep pumping the market because uh like I told you guys before, the market is still need to retrace like around 50K, but no right now. But right now it's quite bullish. So I think when they come back, they're gonna pump the market, and then like they're gonna like screw us again, and then like hit the triple top, and then like make the market pulling back. So I don't think it's not gonna be easy because like they're also looking for the opportunity to buy lower, to buy cheaper, because like they just started to get in because they just had the ETF. So us, we have the chance for over like for me, I got I'm over 10 years, so I got the chance to buy Bitcoin around 300 something ish, and even the other guy, even like Da Vinci, the CoinW partnership, I think he bought like around like $10 or something. So I think with the situation right now, Bitcoin is expensive. I think they're gonna like make the Bitcoin price lower so they can like buy cheaper again, like so as lower as like maybe 50 or even below. I don't know. I cannot predict that, but I think when they come back, the market is gonna be like volatile and it's gonna be fun. Long or short, I don't know, but it's gonna be fun. That's it. So yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much, Jay. Um, about this question, probably Tango or Boris would like to share your opinions.
Um, yeah, so I guess usually in the summer there's usually a bit of a like a slump or period of just like sideways or stagnant price action. So yeah, I guess I kind of agree with Willy Woo, especially because we do have
Mm,
like the election cycle coming up in the United States later this year. So the Fed is gonna have like an incentive to keep rates lower, which is gonna be good for Bitcoin and crypto. So yeah, actually, yeah, I do think we could probably have another kind of like mini bull cycle or even make an attempt at the all-time high again. Probably starting in September when everybody comes back from their summer vacations.
yeah, that's true. Okay, thank you, Boris. And Tango, would you like to discuss this question?
Yeah, I think Boris brought a really important fact, and that is that this is election year in the US. So that's going to be a major driver. What is it, Boris? It's in October,
It's November, I think November
November.
7th. Yeah, something like that.
All right. So yeah, I think that's going to be, a pretty important driver coming into the year's end, for any asset in the world, including Bitcoin. So, election year, we're going to have to see what the Fed rates are. Probably, as he said, they're going to remain low. And yeah, this is a seasonal, decrease on volume and on asset managers, allocating their assets into more risky products. So that's what we're seeing right now. If history is to repeat itself, we also have the halving cycles as well to take in account on Bitcoin. Usually, following the halving, we get a period of a sluggish price action, even a pullback or retracement before we do get a bull market, or in this case, a second or third leg of a bull market. So all these things are going to influence, what Willy was saying. But it's not it's not a straight math, right? It's not just there's going to be asset managers allocating assets, so that's going to pump the price higher. Because for every inflow there's an outflow. So that's the ebb and flow of the markets always. So we have to take also that into account. But adding buying pressure is always going to be well received by everybody in the market that wants to profit from higher prices, basically.
Yeah, that's true. Really making sense. Thank you very much, Tango. Okay, so I think this is our last question for our today live stream. And before we finish today's live stream, I want to remind everyone to pay attention to the terms and conditions of the CoinW Champions Arena event and ensuring fairness and legality in the participation process. And the CoinW Champions Arena is an excellent platform to showcase your trading skills, and it is an opportunity to win lucrative prizes. So you can join now. It's really exciting. And all right. So that's all for today's CoinW's live streams channel. And I hope everyone will actively participate in the event. It's really interesting and showcase your skill and win the glory that belongs to you. And also, please be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and also our esteemed guests. Follow their Twitter account as they will continue to share valuable insights on the world of crypto. And hope the bullish will really come in. And thank you all for watching. Thank you very much, and see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.
All right, see ya.
Bye.
See ya. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.